Hey, let me show you how to insert the memory card into the Realme Note 50. So first of all, we have to locate the SIM slot. It's located right here on the left upper corner. And now input the SIM tool inside this place. Now press on it. And as you can see right now, we are able to take off the SIM slot. And now what we have to do is just to grab this memory card and input the memory card just right here. So that's how it looks. And now try to input it inside. Now press on it and this SIM card is inside. Now you can open this notification panel where you can actually find information that you properly install this SD card. So you can click here, click done, and now you can open your storage. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.